Hey everybody, Zoom360 here on the go. It's been a long time since I've vlogged. Last time that you guys saw me, I was en route to a school for my career. I'm done with that school and I passed it, so on to the next and hopefully final chapter of this career that I'm in. And yeah, so now I'm back. I'm taking some time off, some much needed time. Now we're back. Just a little info. There are some trips coming really soon that I'm going to take you on, but I just wanted to share what's been happening to Suki since she got rear-ended last year. It's just over a year now. Do not drive and talk on your phones. Okay, this is what happens. And stop tailgating. I knew this was gonna happen. People would love to tailgate me, and there you have it, folks. Oh, jeez Louise. So come on, clear it.
Oh,
you
dude,
can clear it.
Many blocks. We're gonna get it cleared for sure.
We're gonna get it cleared. Clear it. We're gonna make it happen, guys. We're gonna make it happen. Don't be alarmed. It's just a car, I guess. Yeah. And currently, she is at the shop. The entire fuel tank is being replaced along with a whole bunch of other stuff. So once that she comes back, I will be driving her to El Paso to drop her off at the shop down there. Now, I could have had her shipped, but I chose to drive her down there because I love driving and I love the road, and it's the only place, and it's the only place that I go to when I want to be free. Like, not driving like in the city, but out there on the highway, especially like in the areas of the West Coast. It's just something very liberating about those roads. So, yeah. So, I ordered some wind splitters for Suki, and those are it right there. Just looking at the computer. I thought, so when it's time for her to be repainted, I thought to add those. So I'm gonna get this for the front and that as well, and this for the rear. Just keeping it simple, not like overdoing it. So though I did say that I'm going to get them, I actually placed the order already, and the box came in yesterday, and I was very busy yesterday, so I couldn't do the unboxing. I thought it would be cool to do this as an unboxing for the channel. So this will be my first unboxing, I think, for the channel. So this is Zoom360, and this is the first unboxing on the channel. Let's do it. All right. You are going to learn today. Okay, this is the box, long box, just as I expected. It came through FedEx yesterday, so yeah, let's go ahead and just see what's in there. All right, let's try to figure out how to open this thing. I got the handy scissors. I guess pop this open right there. There we go. Pop this box, popping this end open, and oops, I guess other FedEx information right there. Just invoices. So, well, got the box open. All right, let's see what we got here. Yank this thing out. Nice bubble wrap. All right. Looking good. It came packed just as I thought it would be packed. of one big long thing out of there. Is this it? Look like that's it. Bring all this. Oops. I yanked some things out without meaning to. Okay. So, this is from Carbon Creations, the same people that I got the carbon fiber rear trunk from, which I ended up not using because of other issues. Okay, so those are the pieces without the bubble wrap. So now I'm going to open them up so that you guys can see it. But I'm gonna use camera magic for this. So here we go. Ready? Well, there you have it. It's now I've removed the Carbon Creations plastic. It's over there. So now I'm going to undo all of this. So yeah, let's do it. So this should be the side skirt. So when I'm driving to El Paso, it's going to be a very interesting ride because this stuff is going to be in the cabin with me on the passenger side. So it should be interesting. It should be a very interesting trip down there. And this is really well packed. I just want to say, really they've done a good job packing this stuff. But I have to see it to verify that it's not damaged in any way. Okay, so I have to undo this wonderfully packed carbon fiber wind splitter. So as you can see, this is really packed really well. So this is gonna take me a while to undo. So let's just skip all this, and I'm gonna just snap my fingers, and we will go into the next frame. Well, there you have it, all unwrapped. Those are the sides, the rears, and the fronts. I was expecting those to be a little bit smaller, but once the car comes back from the shop, I'm gonna size them up with the car just to see how they're going to look and make some adjustments for the shop so they know what to do. But I'm sure that they will be able to modify those pieces if they need to, because the shop I'm going to, those guys do everything. But here they are. They're not damaged. Everything looks really, really good. I don't have an issue with what I've seen, so I'm going to wrap them up. I'm probably not gonna keep this box, but and I'm gonna throw most of this stuff out. But here it is. Looks pretty good. So yeah. So the car is having its fuel tank removed and replaced, along, of course, with the transfer tank, the fuel pump, and the assembly of the fuel pump, and all of the accessories that comes with that. So it's a major job. I just don't have the time to do it myself. But yeah, they're doing it right now. It should be done next week, because they ran into an issue where that the tank shield, it turns out that it comes separately, though Lexus told me a few years back that it came with the tank. So we assumed that it did, but it doesn't. So now they've placed that on order. The shield should be in next week, and yeah, we should be able to we should be able to make that happen. And then once the car comes, because the car was having some fuel issues, and I kind of didn't want to drive it to El Paso like that. I'm planning to have the car be turboed sometimes in the spring of next year. So they will need to get access to the fuel pump and a few other things. And the old one, I mean, it's like, 10 years old. 10 years old because I replaced it 10 years before. So, and now it's about that time for the fuel pump to go out. So I'm not gonna wait for it to go out. So it's being replaced, and the top cover was completely rusted, so that had to go. So I'm like, screw it, let's just change the entire thing. And yeah, so yeah, it looks really good. I really like it. Hopefully you guys can see it fairly well because it's getting dark outside, and I am simply running out of light. I think these might have to be adjusted, but I'm sure that the shop can make that happen because those guys can do anything. But we will see. But this is pretty much it. We're gonna make this happen. So yeah, so I wanted to unbox this and show you guys what's happening. And yeah, so sometimes in the middle of May I should be taking it to El Paso, though I'm sure that by the time you see this vlog, that the car will probably be around halfway done and stuff like that, because I'm not gonna start, because though it's the 1st of May now, I don't plan to start uploading until the first week of June, because I'm going to upgrade my gear, and there are so much things that I have planned that I just don't have the time to sit down to edit. So this ends the vlog. So this is Zoom 360 encouraging you to get up, get out, and do it. So when you watch me do all those things that I do right here on this channel, don't just watch me do them. Go outside and do them as well, because they're really, really fun. So that's it.